Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2008 Buick Enclave. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include memory settings for the seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, heated seats, a power rear liftgate, XM satellite radio, a leather interior, variable valve timing, chrome wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 46,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Buick qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.